Hello, let's discuss on genomic mutation, but before that let's clear on certain terms. In human we have 46 chromosomes, and these 46 chromosomes, they are pair up into 23 pair of chromosomes. Now each of the pair of chromosomes, when they group together, they occur in 23 pair, and when we count them individually, they form 26. That means 1 2 in each pair of chromosome there are 2 chromosomes. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 until 23, it gives rise to 46 chromosomes. So our chromosomes can be divided into 23 and 23 set, 23 and 23 chromosomes. So the 23 chromosome, first 23 give rise to the first set, and the second 23 give rise to the another set again. So one set and two set, they are two set of chromosome. Therefore we human are referred to as diploid set, diploid chromosomes. So di refers to two and ploid refers to set. This diploid can be written as 2n. 2 refers to the pair, the chromosome are occurring in pair. So 2 refers to the pair, and n refers to the number of times the chromosome is repeating. So the number of time the chromosome is repeating is 23. So when we multiply 23 number of time of chromosome repeating with the pair, that is 2, it is called as the it gives rise to 46 chromosome. So this indicates diploid genome. Now let's discuss on what will happen if one set of chromosomes will be lost from the diploid organisms. One set of chromosome here refers to 23 chromosome. So this is a diploid set. So diploid set has 46 chromosome, 2 into 23. So it gives rise to 46 chromosome. And when one set of chromosome, that is 23 chromosome, is lost, then it will give rise to n number of chromosome, or 23 number of chromosomes. So the organisms become haploid. If one set of chromosome is added to the diploid organisms, that means 2n plus n. This is the one set of chromosome. So in this case the organism will become 3n. 3 stand for tri and n stand for ploid. So 3 set of chromosome. Now let's come to the topic, that is genomic mutation. Genomic mutation refers to the change in the number of chromosomes. It refers to this change in the number may be addition or deletion, that is loss of the chromosome. So the change in the chromosome number is also referred to as numerical change. Genomic mutation is of two types. One is euploidy, second is aneuploidy. Now let's discuss on the first one, that is euploidy. Euploidy includes the addition or loss of a complete set of one or more set of chromosomes in the diploid organisms. So the diploid organism is indicated by 2n. So loss of a complete set, here we are referring to complete set of 1. So if one set of chromosome is lost, then 2n minus n will give rise to n, that is haploid. So this condition is called as haploidy or monoploidy. Now the second one is polyploidy. Polyploidy is the condition which involves the addition of one or more sets of chromosomes to the diploid organisms. Now this is the diploid set of chromosomes, and if one set of chromosome is added, then n. If n is added, then 2n plus n means 3n. It will come to triploid, means 3 refers to tri, n stands for ploid. If two set of chromosome is added, that means diploid set is added to the diploid set. That means 4n, or tetraploid. Tetra means 4. And if 3 set of chromosome is added to the diploid, it will give rise to 5n. And hence the condition is called as pentaploid. Penta means 5. If 4 set of chromosomes is added to the diploid, it will give rise to 6n, that is hexaploid. Hexa means 6. Now next let's discuss on aneuploidy. In aneuploidy, there is a loss or addition of one or more chromosomes. One or more chromosomes. We are not talking about set now. In euploidy, we are referring to addition or loss of one complete set of chromosome. Means one set contain 23 chromosome, but here aneuploid we are referring only to the individual chromosome, not the set. So the addition of one or more chromosomes to the haploid genome is referred to as aneuploidy, and the loss of one or more chromosome from the diploid genome, that is 2n minus 1. This is referring to the individual chromosome, losing of one chromosome from the diploid genome. That condition is referred to as haploidy. Now, let's say in human we have 46 chromosome, and one chromosome is lost. Then 46 minus 1 will be 45. So this condition is referred to as hypoploidy. The next one is if there is an addition of one chromosome to the diploid organisms. That is, in diploid in human we have 46 chromosome. The addition of one chromosome will give rise to 47 chromosome. So this addition of one or more chromosome to the diploid organisms, this term is referred to as hyperploidy. And such organisms where there is addition or losing of chromosomes to the diploid genome is referred to as aneuploids or heteroploids. These aneuploid arise due to the failure of separation of the chromosome pair during meiosis. Aneuploidy is of following type. The first one is monosomy. Monosomy is the condition where there is loss of one chromosome from the diploid genome. This is the diploid genome, and there is loss of one chromosome. So this loss of one chromosome, here 46 minus 1 become 47. So this condition is called as monosomy. And the example of disorders that is related to this monosomy is Turner syndrome. In Turner syndrome, the organisms, the individuals have 45 chromosomes. The normal should be 46, but those persons suffering from this Turner syndrome, they have only 45 chromosomes, as one chromosome is deleted or lost from the body. The second is nullisomy. In nullisomic, there is loss or lack of one pair of chromosome. That means two chromosome from the diploid genome. So in this case, two chromosome or one pair of chromosome is indicated by this 2. So in diploid genome, it is indicated by 2n minus 2 chromosome, means 46. 2n here we are referring to 2 into 23. So 23 is given rise to 46. So 46 minus 2. So 46 minus 2 give rise to 44. So this type of condition is called as nullisomic. The third one is polysomic. In polysomic, there is an addition of one or more chromosome in the haploid set of diploid organisms. Now, haploid set here we are referring to, I told you the haploid set in human, there are two haploid set, 23, 23. So addition of one or more chromosome in this or this. These together form 46 chromosome, but the addition of chromosome in either of these, either here or here, since these two sets are referring to haploid and haploid. So under polysomic, the first one is trisomic. In trisomic, there is addition of one chromosome to the haploid set of chromosome. Let's say we are going to the extra is going to be added to this chromosome. So 2n minus 1. The addition of 46 plus 1 means the addition is being added to here. That means 1 means 24. So 24 plus 23 means 47. So we don't know in which chromosome it is being added, but to either of this haploid set. So the person will have extra chromosome, that is 47 chromosome. So this condition is called as trisomic. Now the example, some of the disorder related to this trisomic is Down syndrome. In Down syndrome, this is the diploid set of chromosome. That means 23 pair. Now in this syndrome, the extra chromosome, one extra chromosome is added to the 21 pair of chromosome. The 21 pair. In each of these chromosome there are two and in each of these there are two chromosome, 2, 2, 2, and here 2, 2, 2. So in each of these rounded in each of these round there are 2 chromosomes. So in 21 we have, in 21 pair we have 2 chromosomes, 1 2, and the addition of extra chromosome, this is the extra chromosome. So in 21 the normal chromosome should be 2, that means they should occur in pair, but the addition of extra chromosome will give rise to 3 chromosome in the 21th chromosome. Other all have 2 chromosome, this side also 2 but this chromosome will have 3 chromosome again. So this type of disorder is called as Down syndrome. In Down syndrome, all the chromosome, that is 1 to 20, will have pair of chromosome. 22 and 23 will have pair of chromosome, but the 21 will have extra additional chromosome, and instead of pair they will occur in 3 number of chromosome. So this type of disorder is called as Down syndrome. Second is Klinefelter syndrome. Here also in this syndrome there is addition of 1 chromosome but in the sex chromosome. This syndrome occur in male. In human there are 23 pair of chromosome. Out of 23, 1 to 22 pair are called as the autosome. Autosome means the body chromosome, and the last pair, that is the 23rd pair, is called as the sex chromosome. So in human the 23rd pair contain these 2 type of chromosome. In male they have XY type of chromosome, in female they have XX type of chromosome. So this Klinefelter syndrome occur in male. So let's discuss, let's look at the male chromosome. In male chromosome the 45 and 46 will have X and Y chromosome, because yes, these 2 chromosome, 22 means 44. The 22 pair will have 44 chromosome, and the 23rd pair, that is 45 and 46, will have 2 chromosome, that is 44, 45 and 46. So XY in case of male. But in Klinefelter syndrome, 1 additional X chromosome is added to the 23rd pair. That means from in this chromosome, that is to the XY chromosome. So here the extra chromosome is being added to the sex chromosome. Therefore this individual, that is male, will have some characters of female. They will become sterile, that means they cannot reproduce, and they will have development of breast even in their body like the female. So due to the presence of X chromosome, extra X chromosome, male have XY, but due to presence of influence of one more to the chromosomes, one more X to this set, to this diploid, to this chromosome, the individual male will show more characters like that of the female. So this is all about the trisomic. And the fourth one is okay, the second type of polysomic is the tetrasomic. In tetrasomic, pair of chromosome is added to the diploid genome. Now pair means 2, so this chromosome is also being added to the sex chromosome. Now this type of syndrome, this type of disorder occur in female. So in female, the 44 chromosome is the autosome, and the 45 and 46, that is the 23rd pair, is the sex chromosome. So the female will have XX type of chromosome, but due to the case of tetrasomic, 2 new X chromosome, 2 additional X chromosome will be added to the 45 and 46 chromosome. Hence the normal should be 44, 45, 46 chromosome, but due to the addition of these 2 chromosomes, the individual will have 48 chromosomes. And this type of conditions where there is addition of extra X sex chromosome to the female is called as tetrasomic, and those female having this extra X chromosome are called as super female. We will be discussing this topic, that is super female, Klinefelter and Down syndrome, in the genetic disorders.